Hello YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what factory touch-up paint is like compared to the factory paint after it's been on the vehicle for a little bit? Stay tuned and you'll see. As you can see, I sprayed a card with the factory touch-up paint, and I'm holding it against the original cowl for the headlight. As you can see, there is a little bit of difference in the color tone. We'll see what it looks like on the fairing when it gets done. Here's the finished product of the fairing, all painted up. As you can see, as I come around, there is a little bit of tone difference. Now I don't know if it's because of the sun or if they put too much red or whatever into the paint, but it doesn't match 100%. And the sun's not really out right now but there is flakes inside here that you'd be able to see reflecting kind of like on the tank. But again, the sun's not really out to be able to see. But I think it came out nice. Like I said, there is a little bit of difference. Maybe in due time it'll sun fade, I don't know, that it will start matching the tank, but only time will tell. Again, I'm not a professional painter, so it came out as good as I can do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Peace.